Hi traders, welcome back to Rev Daily Traders Weekly Forex Outlook. Hope you did trade well the last week we had. We are looking for the week that is ahead on us, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new. And if you are our subscriber, please do share our video to other traders, okay? We're going to start with the business of today. We're going to start with gold, okay? Right, on gold on weekly time frame, we are still in this correction. On this correction, what we'll be looking for, we are still having the A wave, okay? Then we'll check if this is our B or 2, then we get 3, then a down move, okay? So now we'll be expecting for this down move to happen, this down move, okay? Because this looks like a corrective structure to us, okay? So we'll be expecting this up move again here, then a down move, then up, okay? So this will be our B wave structure. Then this is our A, we'll be expecting a 3. So if we go to a lower time frame and see how the market is unfolding or building there, okay? We look at our daily time frame. On daily time frame, there was a buy around here that we took a TP here, okay? So this aggressive move up, we didn't get, or we didn't trade it, okay? Why we didn't trade? Because we were looking for the market to go down. Remember last week we were saying we are in this correction, and after this break, we are looking to have that break, okay? So now we'll be looking for a down move on gold. So this down move, after breaking this roof, had a new roof here, okay? So now we'll be looking for an impulse, a correction, then a down move. But on lower time frame, I will show you, we'll be looking for this to move slowly to this zone, then give us a setup there, okay? So if we go to a lower time frame, such as 4 hour or 1 hour, is a good setup, okay? So we'll be looking for this setup, then we'll be looking for a down move here, okay? Remember, you'll get a impulse, a correction, then a down move. So we are still biased to downside on gold. If you are looking for buy after breaking this roof, then you look for this to correct deeper here, okay? It should correct, then you can take the buy, but that will be our update for next week if this happens, okay? It can take a week to correct here to go upside. So now we are looking for a drop on gold. Silver, on silver, what we are expecting on silver? We are still looking for a down move on silver. On silver, we'll look at this pullback, a deeper pullback to give us a one more drop to break this floor and this floor, even this one, okay? So now what we'll be looking for on lower time frame, we'll go to a lower time frame and see how the market is ready or not, right? We're looking at this pattern. We call it Katala, a tiring Katala ending diagonal. Then we got this impulsive move. We thought the market is going to give us a correction for us to go down, but the market tends to bounce around here, okay? This zone was important for the market, but we didn't go for the buy. Why we didn't go for the buy here? Because we were looking for a corrective structure here. Then we can drop test this floor here, give us one more up move, a down, or this to break down to be aggressively there. Okay, so how we're going to trade next week, you go to a lower time frame such as 1 hour and check there if the setup is there. Okay, so now we'll wait for the market to open up, give us an ending diagonal Katala here, a tiring pattern, then an impulse here, a correction, then a down move. If you are not sure or how to take around this zone, then we'll let the market to break here, give a correction, then we can take that drop. Okay, so we'll be biased to downside on gold, then on silver, then we'll go to DXY. On DXY, remember here we were looking for a correction. If you can go back to our last video for this week, okay, for last week, so we were looking for this pattern to happen. Now we got this pattern and impulse a correction here, then there was a buy here, guys. Okay, that buy, we're expecting it to come and expose here, then look for a drop. Are you going to look for a drop on DXY? You'll wait for the market to be aggressively again here, or move slowly, then gives you an impulse, a correction, then you can take the drop. Okay, then if you are looking for buy here, I'll wait for the market to break this zone. Okay, to break this zone, then give a correction, a bigger correction here, then up move to expose this roof. Okay, it's how we are looking at DXY. Then we'll go to Euro USD. Right, on Euro USD, remember after breaking this floor, the market went aggressively here. Okay, so we're expecting a correction here. We didn't trade this last week, okay, because we were waiting for a good setup. Now we are getting this good setup. If you can go to a lower time frame that I'm going to show you shortly, you look for a buy. This buy can come and take this roof. Okay, then we'll see if the market's going to give us a drop setup or a up move setup here. Okay, then we'll go to a lower time frame, 4 hour or 1 hour, and see how the market is going to give us a setup there. Okay, so now we are still in this correction. On lower time frame, 15 minutes, 1 hour, you can expect an impulse, then a correction for you to take the buy. Okay, the buy will be similar to this impulse. Okay, I did show you how we measure our TP. Okay, I will also give you a small tip how we measure a TP. We take the Fibonacci, measure an impulse, a correction, then we get our TP zone. Okay, it's how we measure our TP, guys. So you look for buy on Euro USD, you look impulse, a correction here, then a buy. Then if you are looking for a drop, which we are not anticipating, you'll wait for this to break these 2 points because it's giving us an uptrend here. Okay, then a correction above here for you to take the drop, come and expose this flow. Okay, those are part of trading, and wave analysts do help us there. Okay, we look at 2 possibilities that can happen. So we'll be looking for a buy on Euro USD. Then our next pair, that will be pound dollar. On pound dollar, we'll be expecting the market to correct with a bigger pattern here, around here. Okay, or the market can drop here, but what we are seeing now, because while we're analyzing here, guys, we saw this can come here or turn around this zone, give you one more up move, then a drop, give you a correction, then a drop again, okay? But we'll keep an eye on pound dollar when the times goes, okay? We'll give you even the update every weekend and see how the market unfolds, okay? So now we got this buy, we got one here. This is a corrective structure, guys, okay? The corrective, if you see this corrective structure, it should give you one more drop. The one more drop will complete this 1, 2, 3, then expect the market to move up with such impulse, okay? We'll be watching this length here, okay? So we'll be biased to upside on pound dollar, but at the current state, we'll be looking for this. If it's going to feed our risk management, we'll take the drop, then we'll look for an up move again, okay? So when you go to a lower time frame, such as 1 hour, you'll check if the market is giving you what you are predicted or what you are seeing on the chart. So now the market, after giving a drop here, we're expecting a correction here, then a drop, but the market tends to be aggressive again, then being aggressive again. So what now on pound dollar, guys? You'll expect the market to give you a structure here, then come and take here, go up here to make this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then a drop here, okay? We'll be expecting that pattern to happen, but any kind of setup here that you can get a sell setup, you can take for the drop. We'll be biased to short down move, then a good buy that we are expecting on pound dollar. Then if the market not going to give us a reversal around this zone, then we'll be expecting, after breaking this floor, we'll be expecting a correction here. If that correction do happen, then we'll take that sell, okay? It's how the wave analysts work, okay? Wave strategy works. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be Nztusd. On Nztusd, guys, what we are expecting, we're still in a correction, okay? On daily time frame, we are looking for this correction to break down. So now, as we know that we are in a correction, we'll go to a lower time frame and complete that pattern that we are seeing on lower time frame and see how the market, if it's ready or not, okay? So now we got this impulse, 1 is 2 is 3, okay? So we'll be looking for another buy here to complete this 1, 2, 3, then a drop. So on lower time frame, 1 hour, because we are biased to upside on Nztusd, right? Nztusd will be looking for the market to come, make this pattern, okay? Then a drop here. It can come and take this floor and make an expanding flag impulse, 1, 2, 3, okay? Then you can get that up move again. But if the market gives you a stays here much longer with a correction, then we'll take one more drop here. We'll look for sell setup around this zone, okay? Around this zone. Let me make it clearer for you. We'll look for sell setup around this zone. The market can come and take this zone. Let me put around this zone, okay? The market can push. It can push up until to break this blue line, this zone, okay? Then after breaking that zone, we'll look for a down move, come and break this floor and take or expose that floor, then we'll be looking for an up move to complete the whole structure of running flag, okay, expanding flag. So look for a correction there, then take the drop, okay? Then if you are looking for buy, this should give you an impulse here, okay? Look for a correction, then take the buy. Put your stop loss in a profit after getting or breaking this roof, okay? And let the market to unfold if it's going to give you this portion, okay? Then you let the market to unfold and take you out with a small portion. So we'll be looking two things on Nztusd. So we'll go to our next pair, that will be Aussie Dollar. Same on Aussie Dollar, guys. We're expecting this running flag to go up. So how are we going to trade now? Let's go to a daily time frame and see the bigger picture on Aussie Dollar. Right, on Aussie Dollar, remember we are in a impulse 1, 2, 3. Impulse here 1, 2, 3. We're expecting this to complete, then we can get the drop on Aussie USD. So we are still biased to upside on Aussie USD to complete this pattern. So how are we going to trade on Aussie USD on lower time frame, H4 or 1 hour? We'll see how the market is behaving there, okay? So now you let the market to give you a correction here, okay? If you see the correction around this zone, you'll be taking that buy, okay? Because we saw that there was a expanding flag here for us to come and take this buy, okay? This zone. Then now we analyzed again and saw that there is an impulse here, A wave. This is a B wave. Expect a C wave. Then we got that C wave, then we bounce in a good zone here, okay, for us to take that buy. So we are not in the buy at the current moment. We'll be waiting for a correction here, then we can take that buy. That buy will complete this pattern for a drop, okay? Hope you're going to trade well on Aussie USD. Then our last pair, that will be USD ZAR. On USD ZAR, guys, what we are expecting on USD ZAR. This is your expanding flag, okay? After getting the bigger expanding flag here, the bigger expanding flag, then we got another one. Then this one makes a pattern, okay? So now what we are expecting after getting, because we're down here, now expect a down move here, a correction, then a down move, okay? So we'll be expecting for selling opportunities on dollar ZAR. Then we'll be watching closely a reversal here for an up move. But at the current state, watch this correction for you to sell, okay? So we'll go to a lower time frame, 1 hour, and see how we're going to trade on 1 hour, okay? Or you can go to 15 minutes where you can get a good position there, okay? Right, this is our 1, 2, 3, okay? After getting this or breaking this roof, then we got a good touch on our zone, okay? So this is not moving fastly on 15 minutes. Then what we'll do, we'll wait for a 1 hour correction, okay? This 1 hour correction, we'll wait for a break around here. We'll put our limit there, okay, for us to break. If you get tagged around this zone, then the market breaks, then gives you one more up move here, because this can be a correction structure for you to complete a pattern for you to go down. You'll close this and let this to go up, then look for a drop around this price. Okay, we'll be looking closely this dollar ZAR. Okay, guys, do trade well and have a good week on trading. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to click that notification bell. Okay, thank you guys, we'll see you next week.